That is Otori kitchen ready in the morning. Done it. Okay, here now. I'm done bathing, getting ready, and that is my face mask. Don't dare go to the market this day without face mask. Thus, that is the list and the money. You can see the total there. Onions, bitter leaf. These are really expensive in the market. Welcome to Taro Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe. Here I bought the ugu. Ugu is 150. I bought two. Now there is here is dry season and there's not much vegetable. Vegetable used to be very expensive this season. Please, as you're watching, subscribe, like our video, give us a thumbs up. So from here I'll be going down to where I bought ajo and pepper. Yeah, stay tuned to this channel. We'll be bringing you affordable meals, good and affordable meals. Here I bought ose. Her pepper is really nice. And after here, we're moving over to where I bought ako. I bought ako from one other girl, one painter, 1,200 naira. Then the next place I'm going to buy ako is just half painter. I bought one and a half. Half is 500. And here is me on my way back from the market inside the keke. That's my bag filled with what I bought. What I bought in the market here at home. Trying to show you all we bought. That is 500 apple. The next one is 1,200 naira. That is the full painter of the apple. Give us a thumbs up as you're watching this right now, and don't forget to subscribe. That is added 250. Yeah, 250, 150. That is 250. The next one 50 naira. And ugu 100. Meat 1 2. That is okporoko. I actually cooked this food 5,000 something. This is intestine 500. The next onugbu. This is bitter leaf. Yes. This is onions, pepper, ogili for the soup. Then oroziza, then ogiri for the ofe or stew akwu, anyone you call it, onions. That is ingredient for the ofe akwu, those small things they used to pack and put for you in a leather. Yes, I actually cooked this food with 5,000 something because among the 6,000 is my transport money, so it should be around 5,000 something. That is my abacha. My market treat. I like abacha with granite. I don't know about you. I don't forget to buy this each time I go to the market. That is the soup when it's ready. Onugbu soup. Don't forget to subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up and tell us another food you want us to cook, and we'll do that for you with a small amount of money, and it will still be big to serve you and your family. So that is me taking my own turn, the onugbu soup. And that is me eating. I don't eat much, watching my weight, sat on the floor, kowe bama rough muff man. So leave us a comment below. Were you wowed by me using 5,000 something to cook 2 pots of soup, or were you not? Just leave the comment down below. And again, if you want us to try another food with a lesser amount of money, give us the challenge. We'll beat the challenge. Yeah, here at Otori Kitchen that is the stew. You see the big pot we used to cook it. That is the stew. Here at Otori Kitchen, we give you healthy food like a food. Subscribe.